Check out that beautiful sunrise, guys. Good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another fishing video. Here I am out at Badin Lake again. The last couple times I was out here, Badin has been pretty stingy. Didn't do too well, but I was wanted to launch at another spot, and just didn't pan well out there. So I'm out here at a Circle Drive. I really don't know what to expect today. The goal today is just to not skunk, hopefully just catch one or two, or maybe, you know, I might do good and catch a whole bunch. But the kayak is loaded up. Let me get on there and head out and see if I can make something happen out here, guys. All right, we're gonna make a quick little run down here to the back of this flat. See if they're schooling up some bait fish over here, guys. I'm gonna give this a shot right here. Oh yeah. Yep. We are here. Push some bait. Check that out. Not a big one, but I'll take it. Thank you, sir. What in the world? What is out there? These the guys. That's what's been biting me. Okay. Thank you for playing, bud. All right, we're moving. Little dinkers. He's a pretty one. Thank you, bud. Stop, bro. Another little dink. Thank you, bud. Heck was that? In the shallow. Man, you are a fighter. Yeah, you are a fighter. Good size one right there. Chunky little guy. Thank you, bud. Oh man. It is 9:47. No bites after that full fish. Yeah. I'm pretty much just junk fishing today, guys. Can't really figure these fish out. No pattern going on. I don't know. I mean, it's better than a skunk, so we're gonna go back to where they were busting this morning right there. See if I can maybe catch them on the bottom. Oh. Nice long one. Thank you, bud. Oh, crap. Should have played him. All right, ladies and gents, that's gonna be it for the day. It is 12:08 right now. I gotta set me a time limit. If not, then I'll be out here all day. Not a bad day. Started off, you know, pretty good, and it slowed down. I think I caught a total of like what, 5, 6, I don't know, I lost count. I have to go back and count all these fish, but I mean, who cares, whatever, right? As long as I'm catching fish. Anyways, I had a good time out here, guys. I really enjoyed it. Weather was good, but thank you guys, man. I just want to say thank you guys for watching it till the end. Till next time, y'all stay safe.